In the world of automotive, we as consumer at least have heard once about 0 to 100 km per hour or 0 to 60 miles per hour for car acceleration time. 0 to 60 is probably the most realistic everyday performance benchmark that usually show the performance of the car in real-world scenario. Either that is under 5 seconds or even less, that means better for performance of the car. But how if 0 to 100 km per hour time gets so much quicker, even under 2 seconds and even under 1 second? If you want to know the story, let's go watch together. Leave a like and subscribe. I appreciate that from you. Hope you enjoy. The fastest production car in nowadays in 2023 is from an EV car technology with a hypercar brand, the Rimac NEVERA. Rimac can get result 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.74 seconds and 0 to 100 km per hour in just 1.82 seconds. That is fast for production car. This lightning fast acceleration is powered by sophisticated all-electric powertrain, which features 4 electric motors generating a combined output of 1900 horsepower and 1700 of torque. But is it can get faster than this? The answer is yes, but it doesn't come from production car. Meanwhile, it can be to say a prototype car. This car can get 0 to 100 km per hour with under 1 second. A team of students from ETH Zurich and Lucerne University of Applied Science in Switzerland just set a new acceleration record for EV. Their hand-built electric race car called the MYTHEN rocketed from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 0.95 seconds. ETH Zurich reports that Guinness World Records has confirmed that the MYTHEN broke the previous world record for electric vehicle, setting an incredibly high standard for anyone aiming to claim the crown. The previous record was held by a team called Vorderverein Green Team Uni Stuttgart EV, which designed an EV that reached 100 km per hour or 62 miles per hour from a standstill in 1.46 seconds on September 23, 2022. The students are all part of the Academic Motorsport Club Zurich, and they have been working on the MYTHEN tirelessly. In total, the entire car weighed just 309 pounds or 140 kilo, thanks to the extensive use of carbon and aluminum honeycomb. Each wheel houses its own motor for a total system output of about 326 horsepower or 243 kilowatt. That might sound like a low figure, but that is power to weight ratio that even the most powerful hypercar cannot rival. In fact, it's so much power for the platform that putting it all to the ground is nearly impossible. Only through the use of system that literally sucks the car to the ground could the team find the traction needed to go that fast that quickly. So yeah, that's a little bit story of fastest acceleration car in today's 2023. Acceleration is undoubtedly one of the most exciting factors that a car brings. Here, we would like to make it clear that the fastest car and the quickest car are two different terminology. In the last decade, many cars have been launched with the capability to deliver 0 to 60 under 3 seconds. In fact, this time has become almost commonplace, especially when it comes to the uppermost echelon of the fastest accelerating cars in the world. 0 to 60 is known as the gold standard for the car manufacturing company, used to measure the performance of their car in real life. It's important to note that achieving the maximum top speed is easier than achieving the quickest acceleration. That's because a huge engine plays the most important role when it comes to the top speed. On the other hand, maximizing traction and putting the power down immediately is hard. Automotive engineers and experts constantly work on advanced electronics, lightweight materials, tire compounds, and high-performance technology to achieve faster acceleration than ever. Thank you for watching. Sorry for my bad and broken English, but if you still watch until this minute, I will appreciate that and thank you for that. See you on the next video and goodbye.
life.